Hello and welcome to the Williams Learning Lab. In this video, I'll show you how to convert grams to moles using dimensional analysis, also known as the factor label method. This is one of the most important skills in chemistry, and we'll work through it step by step. First, what is dimensional analysis? So dimensional analysis is a method where you multiply by conversion factors so that units cancel out, leaving you with the desired units. In this case, we want to cancel grams and be left with moles. We'll use the following relationship. 1 mole equals molar mass in grams. And that becomes a conversion factor. And we have 1 mole per grams, and that grams is our molar mass. So let's do an example problem. So in this problem, if you have 36 grams of water, how many moles is that? Well, step one, what we're going to do is we're going to find the molar mass of water. To find the molar mass of water, we are going to find the molar mass of each of its elements that composes it. So for hydrogen, we have 1.01 grams per mole. Oxygen, it is 16.00 grams per mole. And then we take into account the molecular formula of water. And so since we have 2 hydrogens, 2 times 1.01, and then we add the 1 oxygen, which accounts for 16.00 grams per mole, add that together, and we have 18.02 grams per mole. Now that we have the molecular mass, or the molar mass of water, we go to step 2. And for step 2, we set up the conversion using dimensional analysis. And so it's going to end up like this. We're going to have 36 grams of H2O, and we're going to multiply times our conversion factor. For every 1 mole of water, there is 18.02 grams in that water. And so what will happen now is the grams will cancel out, okay, and the water on the bottom, those 2 units will cancel out, and so we'll be ended up with moles of water remaining. And so 36 divided by 18.02 will give us 2.0 moles of H2O after we have considered our significant digits. Okay, so let's recap what we need to do here. To convert grams to moles, we're going to use the key formula, and that key formula is going to be grams times 1 mole divided by the molar mass in grams equals moles. So grams times 1 mole per gram equals moles. All right? And so I have one more thing for you. Let's do a challenge. All right, how about this? You tell me the answer to this question in the comment section. Bonus points if you can show all of your work. So how many moles are in 72 grams of H2O? Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you found this video helpful, would you consider commenting, or subscribing? And until next time, keep on learning and think while you still can.